Yo people, how's everyone doing today? Hope you're all ready for some exciting news. You know I love a good bargain. There's nothing quite like the thrill of finding that perfect deal. And when it comes to online shopping, AliExpress was the king, especially in India. It was the ultimate destination for all your shopping needs. Millions of users were hooked, snapping up everything from clothes and gadgets to home decor, you name it. The variety was simply unmatched. They had crazy deals, way cheaper than your local shops. The discounts were so good it was almost unbelievable. It was a shopaholic's dream. Imagine getting everything you ever wanted at a fraction of the price. Remember when your neighbor got that awesome phone case, like dirt cheap? It was the talk of the town. Yeah, that was probably AliExpress. They made it so easy to find unique and affordable items. It was the go-to for trendy stuff, all coming straight from manufacturers, no middlemen jacking up the prices. This direct approach meant more savings for us. People were finding amazing quality at unbelievable prices. Who wouldn't love that? The reviews were glowing and the satisfaction was real. Everyone was talking about their latest finds, sharing their experiences on social media. It was a community of happy shoppers. The excitement of receiving a package was unmatched. Unboxing was like opening a gift every time. With so many categories to choose from, there was something for everyone. AliExpress truly had it all. And the best part? The satisfaction of knowing you got a great deal. Thumbs up all around. But then, bam! Out of nowhere, a major decision was made. The Indian government decided to hit the brakes on AliExpress, along with a bunch of other Chinese apps. This move was sudden and caught many by surprise. They said it was about data privacy and national security. The government emphasized that the safety of its citizens' data was paramount. Basically, they were worried about user data ending up in the wrong hands. The fear was that sensitive information could be misused or exploited. Now, I'm no tech expert, but I get it. The digital age has made data incredibly valuable. Data is like gold these days, and nobody wants their personal info floating around out there. It's a treasure trove for those who know how to use it. Plus, there were concerns about these Chinese companies not playing by the rules. Allegations of unfair practices and lack of transparency were rampant. So, the ban happened, leaving a lot of shoppers in a tight spot. Many relied on these apps for affordable products and quick deliveries. What were they supposed to do without their AliExpress fix? The search for alternatives began, but it wasn't easy to replace such a giant in the e-commerce world. Don't worry, folks. Where there's a will and a need for cheap goodies, there's a way. The ban didn't stop die-hard AliExpress fans. They found clever workarounds to keep the shopping spree going. One word: VPNs. VPNs are like secret tunnels for your internet connection. They mask your location, making it look like you're browsing from somewhere else, like, say, the US or Europe. So, even though AliExpress is blocked in India, you can still access it through a VPN. Boom! Problem solved. Section 4. Reshipping, your shopping lifeline. But hold up, there's another trick up our sleeve. Let me introduce you to the wonderful world of reshipping services. These guys are lifesavers, really. Here's how it works. You order your stuff from AliExpress and send it to the reshipper's address, usually in a country where AliExpress is still accessible. They receive your package, repackage it, and then ship it straight to you in India. It's like having your own personal shopper overseas. Section 5. A new era of shopping. Welcome to a time where the way we shop is constantly evolving. So there you have it, my friends. The landscape of online shopping is changing, but our love for great deals remains the same. The AliExpress ban might have thrown a wrench in our shopping carts, causing some initial frustration and confusion. But it definitely didn't stop us. We adapted quickly, finding new ways to get what we want. VPNs and reshipping services have become our new best friends, allowing us to bypass restrictions and keep shopping. These tools have been essential in keeping those AliExpress deals coming, ensuring we don't miss out on our favorite products. It just goes to show, you can't keep a good shopaholic down. Our determination to find the best deals is unstoppable. And hey, maybe this whole situation will push Indian businesses to step up their game, offering better prices and variety to compete. This could lead to a more vibrant and competitive market, benefiting all of us in the long run. A little competition never hurt anyone, right? It might even lead to better customer service and more innovative products. Until then, happy shopping, everyone. Keep exploring, keep finding those deals, and enjoy the new era of shopping.